Hey friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your social profiles or your other social accounts to your Whop. So if you're new to Whop and you're going to create a Whop and you want to ensure that you showcase your other social media profiles on Whop, then this is how you actually do it if you want to show those social media accounts on your Whop profile. So once you sign in, just simply click your profile in the lower left hand side, and from here just simply click on connected accounts right in the middle there. Right now, once you click on that, it's going to take you over to where you can basically add those different social media accounts. You can connect your Discord, you can connect Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, TradingView, and even your Twitter account. And it's super easy to do. So let's take, for example, Discord. If you want to connect Discord, just simply click on it and it's going to open up this card for you. It's going to take you over to a new page, and all you have to do really is just go ahead and connect the Discord. As you can see, it's going to say authorized, and you just want to go ahead and authorize it, and you'll be able to connect your Discord. And that's all that you have to do, guys. You can connect any social media account you want by simple going through the process. If you're currently using the same email address that is connected to your Whop, it's going to make it super easy, because once it opens up the new browser, all you'll have to do, especially if you sign in within your browser, it's going to just quickly allow you to authorize, and you just will be able to quickly sync those. Otherwise, you just have to enter the credentials for your account, and it will still link up in your profile. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.